Greg Houghton here. I'm going to talk you through how to add tables on your website using a tool called TablePress. And tables are a really nice way to show tables of information. This tool makes it really simple to add good looking tables to your site, to display information, in this instance staff list, but you can do all sorts with them. So the first thing I'm going to do is just go up to the top left again to the dashboard, and we're just going to find the TablePress plugin down here to the left. Now if you don't see TablePress on your site, contact the site administrator and see if they can install it for you. I'm just going to ignore this stuff up here, but below that we can see a list of all the tables that we currently have on the website. So we can navigate to one that we already have information on. So if I jump back to our staff list again, when you're logged into the site you can see this little edit button down here. If I click that, we can see the table and we can make changes to the text within the table. Always remember to hit save once you're done. Say we wanted to create a new table, just click add new. I'm just going to give it a name and decide how many rows, columns we want, and I'm going to just create the table. So in this instance we can see that the top of the table is highlighted, and this is indicated down here. It says the first row of the table is the table header, so it'll be a different colour to the rest of the table. If I don't want that to happen, I'm just going to untick that box, see that removes the highlighted top bar. Another thing to remember to do is just to untick the use of data tables. Now this is a really cool feature that allows you to search the table and navigate it, but I've never really found a use for it in the jobs we've been doing. But have a play, you might find it useful, but I tend to turn this off. So the thing to do is to add the content to your table, and once you're finished, click Save Changes. Now you'll also notice that we have a shortcode here, so this is the identity of this table, and the code can be pasted onto a page, and that's how we make this particular table display on a page. So if I just jump back to the page we were looking at earlier, I'm going to go back through here. I'm just in our staff. If I click on the builder button and see what these tables look like in the background, click into this text box now, and all it has in there is the table ID pasted in from that page we looked at earlier. Click done and publish, and the table should display on the page as intended. If it doesn't and you just see the text, maybe just try refreshing your page. And that's how you manipulate and add new tables to your website.